The penne with tuna and Pachino cherry tomatoes is a simple and tasty dish. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 320 grams penne, or your preferred short pasta, 200 grams oil-packed tuna, drained, 250 grams Pachino cherry tomatoes, 2 cloves garlic, fresh parsley to taste, salt to taste, red chili pepper, optional, extra virgin olive oil, optional, pitted black olives. Preparation: bring a pot of salted water to a boil for the pasta and cook the penne according to package directions to achieve al dente texture. Meanwhile, wash and cut the Pachino cherry tomatoes in half. Heat a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil in a large pan and sauté the garlic cloves until golden. If you like a spicy touch, you can add a piece of chili pepper. Add the drained oil-packed tuna and let it flavor for a few minutes. Remove the garlic and add the halved cherry tomatoes, cooking for about 5 minutes until they start to break down a bit, creating a sauce. If you like, you can also add black olives at this point. Drain the al dente penne and transfer them to the pan with the tuna and cherry tomato sauce. Mix the pasta well with the sauce to flavor it, adding some pasta cooking water if necessary to make the sauce creamier. Crumble fresh parsley and add it to the dish, stirring one last time. Serve your penne with tuna and Pachino cherry tomatoes immediately while hot. Fun facts: Pachino cherry tomatoes from Sicily are famous for their sweet and intense flavor, which pairs perfectly with the saltiness of the tuna. This dish stems from the tradition of simple and quick cooking typical of southern Italy, where high-quality ingredients are the foundation of tasty and genuine dishes.